Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview, some general information, and my first impressions on these earthwash, eco-friendly detergent sheets sent to me by the seller for evaluation, but available to you on Amazon. I will get right to it. I absolutely adore these detergent sheets. But let me tell you why, because there's a lot of reasons. The first things that you'll notice is the size of the container. This small box holds enough sheets to do 32 regular size laundry loads, or if you've got some light loads, up to 64 different loads. And that is great for the environment because you don't have those big plastic jugs to worry about anymore. Or even the boxes of detergent. This small box takes care of it all. If you pick the ones that are scented, they are very, very pleasant. And the scent lasts on my clothes for a long time. And they are super easy to use. You just put the clothes in the washer like you always do, and put this on top of it before you start your load. And these are great not just for home, but they would also be great for traveling, or if you know somebody who's in college, staying in a dorm or in a college apartment, they don't have a lot of space, this is perfect for them as well. And above all, because of its packaging and its ingredients, earthwash is earth friendly. Oh yeah, and they get my clothes clean too. That's kind of important. If you're looking for a great way to take care of Mother Earth while you're taking care of your clothes, I highly recommend that you give Earthwash a look. It works for me. It is a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.